Hey guys, welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. And for today's vlog, there will be a major renovation. It's really not renovation, but they are going to rearrange all of these philodendrons kasi may nagawa po silang parang rack for their plants. And they will also be fencing this garden for safety purposes lang. And if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please do not forget to subscribe and itap nyo na din yung bell icon para ma-notify kayo whenever we upload a new video. And if you are ready, let's begin. So guys, from the previous video or yung garden tour na napakita ko, they were arranged on a different way. So wala na yung plants na nandito because they were transferred. And let's check them out. So nandito na sila ngayon, and I hope you do notice what happened to this. So if you have this dwarf anthuriums or yung mga table anthuriums, nako, please do comment down below kung ganito din ba yung nangyari sa mga anthuriums nyo. So, dito sila i-arrange kasi, ayan, mas mataas yung pinaglalagyan sa kanila and mas safe sila sa mga manok. There are a lot of chickens in here and they will really touch your plants. Wala kang magagawa. So, ayan, meron tayong camouflage na aglonema. So, eto nga pala guys is sa bahay ng mama ko. And as what I have said to you on the previous video that we had, marami po siyang philodendrons. Meron na nga silang mga philodendron Birkin na mother type. So, tig-isa sila ng kapatid ko. And since napakita ko nung pinapagate namin yung milyona, so eto na yung milyonang isa guys, inihatid ko na dito. So, this will be for my brother para pag nagkabahay siya, soon meron na siyang malaking plants. And eto yung mga malalaking philodendrons nila with all of the colorful ones. Ayan. So for now, they are slowly rearranging the pots. And yan yung papa ko. So ayan, they are helping each other in rearranging the garden. Ewan ko kung bakit tinatali ito. Okay, for plant safety as well. So ayan, meron silang mother na black cardinal. They also have the Thai constellation, guys. By the way, just to inform you, nung nasa vlog namin na nanalo si mama ng Thai con, hindi po binenta, guys. So, mapapakita natin na nandito pa siya ngayon and it will also be arranged like all of these plants here. Sobrang laki na ng Black Majesty nila, guys. Yung sa amin kasi, parang ang layo lang nito eh. Laking-laki na ako doon, but this is so big. This is a giant Black Majesty. And, syempre siguro nagustuhan niya yung pot niya. Wala na nagiripat, ma. So, hindi na to niripat, guys. This is the same pot and the same potting mix that it has nung binili siya. Ito naman is the Royal Queen. So, ayan, ready na siya for propagation but they haven't propagated it yet. So, baka ganito lang to and then paakyatin soon. So, this is the Black Cardinal. So, maraming colorful foliage si mama, guys. Merong mga dark foliage and there are also the colorful ones. They are up there and being arranged as well. So, meron siyang... So, eto guys is also a red Congo coming from Thailand. Pero as you can see, kamukha siya ng red diamond na na-film namin. Kasi, the local red Congo is so much different from this. So, ito yung local red Congo, guys. Even yung shape ng leaves, magkaiba po. So, ito yung problems ng manok, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo yung plant. Oh, ayan. Sinakyan. Perfect. So, meron pang iba dito, guys. Siyempre, nalalagyan siya ng mga tuyong dahon. Kasi nga, merong ano dito. So, meron pang isa dito. Meron pa mga colorful foliage dito. And, siyempre, nalalagyan sila ng dry leaves kasi merong tambis. Saan ang tambis? So, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag ng tambis sa inyo. Basta tambis to sa amin. I do not know what's the Tagalog term of this. So, ayan, they keep on arranging. Kasi nga, ngayon or parang last week lang to nagawa ng paglalagyan dyan. And para maging safe sila sa mga manok. Kasi ilang beses na daw nabali itong ibang philodendrons just because of those chickens na meron sila dito. So, ayun, I will be updating you regarding the arrangement of these plants that they have here. So, finally. So, ayun guys, that is a baby cardinal. So, meron lang palabas dun sa, dun sa stem. Kaya, pinropagate siya. Actually, yung nauna sa kanya, wala pang masyadong roots. Pero they had to propagate it to give way sa mga shoots na lalabas. So, medyo maingay dito, guys. Ayan, merong ayaw magpaiwan. Kaya maingay. So, ito nga pala yung giant pothos, guys. Ito yung mother yata nung nandun sa amin, yung pinapaakyat namin dun sa mangga. So, bumalik na naman yung manok. So, kawawa naman yung plants na nandun. What's good in this area is that hindi siya masyadong mainit. So, the plants can grow well. Kaso, kapag umuulan, binabaha dito. So, they really need something na paglalagyan ng plants na medyo high para hindi sila affected sa baha. And, of course, aalisin din itong mga mahogany leaves na to kasi they're really not good for the plants. You know that, and if you all know about that, please do comment it down below. Ito naman, guys, is a dwarf red Congo. So, ayun, meron din yung mga neighbors na iba namin dito, yung mga kamag-anak din namin na nandito. Pero this one, binili daw to, and this is worth 500 pesos. Pero ayun, sobrang lush na niya, sobrang dami ng dahon. And the potting mix that they have here, guys, sobrang ganda, oh. Let us take a closer look. Para siyang vermicast. Madaming vermicast. Ewan ko kung ano, mga coco peat. Wala akong nakikitang rice hulls, pero hindi naman talaga ito magiging safe kapag nilagyan ng rice hulls kasi meron ng mga manok, so baka guluhin to. Katulad lang, so tingnan nyo yung nila, potting mix. So this type of potting mix is also good, guys. Kaso binili nila to, so hindi sila yung nag-mix nito. And philodendrons love it kasi sobrang ganda din naman ng tubo ng mga plants nila na nandito eh. So ayan, if some of you are familiar kung anong type of potting mix ito, you may comment that down below. Kasi pwede din siyang mag-work sa plants nyo. My mama also has a huge Prince Albert. So, ito yung napakita namin. Ito, ganitong klaseng philodendron yung napakita namin na pinropagate. So, ayan ito. Sobrang laki and sobrang wide ng niya, stalks. And on this area, guys, parang mga Black Maries yata to. Sobrang dami ng mga Black Maries ni mama. And they were transferred here. So, nakalagay na sila sa tig-iisang pot. So, they can grow well. For sale daw. Magkano? So, ito guys, 250 each daw. And buhay na sila. Sobrang dami ng mga ganito nila, guys. Mga baby na Black Maries, guys, hindi masyadong prominent yung dark foliage nila. But as they grow old, they will really turn darker. So, ayan, meron kasing mother dito. Ayun, nandun sa kabilang side and malaki na. So, I will be showing them to you as well. Sa mga nakakita ng previous videos namin, so napakita ko din yon. I will be showing that to you again. So, you can see what is the mother plant of all these tiny Black Maries that we can see here. On this area, guys, ayan, meron na din palang mga Black Maries dito na makikita mo na talaga na dark na yung foliage na even if they're still young. So, they still have it here. O, ayan, merong tatlo dito. Sila yata yung tatlong nakikita ko na talagang hindi mo madedenay na Black Marie sila. Meron mga babies and they're all inside but I don't think they are for sale na. So, these ones here na transfer na talaga sa kanya-kanyang pot na merong mga puting pot. So, ito yung mga binibenta for 250. There are larger ones, guys, but it's 300 yata. Yun yung sinabi sa akin. So, sa mga nagtanong before, kasi meron pong mga nagtatanong before if they are for sale. Tumahimik muna tayo ng konti kasi medyo maingay. So, sa mga nagtatanong before if they are for sale and sabihan ko na hindi pa for sale. So, ngayon guys, eto, binibenta na po sila for 250 to 300 each. Yung mga malalaki yung 300 yata. Medyo malalaki kaysa dito. So, eto, kahit 250 pa, ayan, klarong-klaro na Black Marie siya. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mother plant. So, guys, ito yung mga mother ni mama. Ayan. They're all black. So, this is the mother plant of those Black Maries that they have here for sale. I do not know if it's this one, pero hindi naman yata to Black Marie. Mukhang Black Marie. Ito, so, nandito, basta ito yung mga malalaki, guys, yung mga mother plants. Ito, Black Marie din to, yata. Basta yung one right there is sure na Black Marie. Ito yung mga mother plants, ito yung mga nandito sa area na to. So, they will be transferring all of this dun sa kabilang side na pinakita ko kanina sa garden kasi lalagyan nila ng fence for safety purposes and para hindi na sila mahirapang mag-check sa left, sa right. So, ayun, sa iisang side na sila ilalagay lahat. So, ayun guys, if you are interested to buy some black Maries, syempre yung mga medyo pricey kasi kapag malaki na, diba? So, let's opt for something smaller para medyo lesser pa yung price. So, nandito sila marami and you can choose. Syempre, merong iba na makikita mo na talaga sa leaves na nag-darken na yung leaves. So, eto na yung piliin nyo. Oh, ayun, 'di ba? So guys, this is the Monstera Thigh constellation. Ito yung napanalunan ni Mama and transfer na siya sa ibang pot. So and this will also be transferred over there. So pag natapos na tong parang pagre-rearrange nila ng all of the plants in this garden, ipapakita ko na din sila sa inyo para makita nyo na din. And of course guys, I'm filming this kasi baka dun sa mga interesadong bumili ng Black Marie, sa lahat ng mga nag-comment, oh ayan guys, ready na for sale, marami nang binibenta dito. So makikita naman talaga natin dun sa area na yon na sobrang daming plants guys. I do not know if all of them will be transferred to the other side, but I think most of them, especially those that are having huge leaves, so they will be transferred kasi delikado. So for safety purposes, they will be transferred in one side. So, I already showed this side to you guys dun sa video na garden tour na nandito si Mama. But, for now, talagang merong major changes kasi nawala na yung malalaking plants, nawala na yung ibang plants. It has been transferred over there para ma-arrange siya ng mabuti. So, this is the part 1. I believe we will be having a part 2 kasi nga dapat talaga maayos to before natin ipakita. And I'm so excited to show them to you kapag ready na. So, ayun, meron din mga wave of love dito. I don't know if this will be transferred as well. But, etong mga aglonemas na to, super beautiful. So, this is the Big Roy yata. On that area, guys, yung rack na nagawa nila, this is, although it is a temporary one, pero matibay siya kasi tingnan nyo, sobrang kapal ng mga slabs na ginamit. And there is so much space in here. Meron pang space dun sa likod na hindi pa nalalagyan. So, what's being occupied now is the front muna. So, yung likod talaga wala pa. So, maraming malalagay dito. I do not know if they can place all of them kasi sobrang dami din naman ng mga plants na nandito. So, we'll just see what's gonna happen. So, thank you so much for making it till the end of this video. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Itap nyo na din yung bell icon para ma-notify kayo whenever we upload a new video. See you on the part 2. Bye!